This video shows how to buy shares of Carter's using the search phrase how to buy shares of Carter's and the ticker CRI. Carter's is a U.S. children's apparel retailer listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker CRI. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the broker's search bar and enter the ticker CRI to find Carter's stock. Choose the listing that shows NASDAQ and the CRI ticker to locate the correct asset. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ CRI ticker to confirm it is the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.